Hello students and friends, we are going to see how to check for mock test because mock test is very important, especially if you are new for this examination. So I'm going to the official website of GET 2024. I will scroll down. Now if you scroll down you can see here the option of mock test. So let's go to mock test. Here whatever the paper you are giving, there are list of papers and you choose your paper. So I'm choosing here physics. Now this is your screen. First of all you will look like this. There will be system name, that is the name of computer, number of computer is given here, that will be provided by invigilator at the center. Here your name and photograph will appear with your seat number, and password is usually your date of birth, or the invigilator will tell you at the center. Then you just have to click sign in. For this mock test you don't have to put anything, you just have to click on sign in. These are the instructions. You can see that the duration of examination, the scientific calculator is available, okay, on the top screen, so you don't have to bring the calculator. How the question will appear: suppose you have not visited the question, then it will look like this. So this is color code. You can see if you answered it will turn green, if you have answered but mark for review then it will turn like this, okay. So and so on, you can check this how to do this. Then how to answer MCQ, how to answer MSQ, how to answer NAT type. So for NAT type you have to use virtual numerical keypad, okay. So you have to always save and next. And you also have to, if you have to change the answer, first clear the response and then you should type new answer or click new answer, okay. Sometimes what happens, if the previous answer is there and you have already saved, then unless you clear the earlier response it will not accept the next. So even if you have corrected your calculation or whatever thinking you have, then also your answer may get wrong because you have not cleared earlier response and then selected new. So it is very important. How much mark for each MCQ, MSQ and NAT type of question is given. We already have seen there is either 1 mark question or 2 mark question. Now navigating through section, how I can do this. You also will have scribble pad provided at the center. So this is used for rough work. You don't have to bring anything with you. You just have to bring only pen, your hall ticket and your ID. That's it. Okay, I will click on next. And you can continuously monitor. Here you can see your photo and your name, okay. Because it is mock test, we are not seeing anything here. Okay, now this is paper specific instructions. Here general aptitude, we have 5 questions for 1 mark, 5 questions for 2 mark. And in physics, here you can see there are 25 questions from physics for 1 mark and 30 questions for 2 marks. And then you have to check on the declaration that you have read all the instructions, and then I'm ready to begin. So at the test center you will not begin until the time starts. So here I'm beginning. So you can see here I'm getting the question. This is general aptitude. Now this is MCQ for 1 mark. You can see here the mark for correct answer and negative marking here. You on the right side you can see how much time is left. So total 180 minutes, that is 3 hours we have for all the question. So here there are 10 questions. You can directly jump for any number of question. Suppose I click here, I'm not reading the question, okay. So this is I have clicked. Now I can see save and next, okay. And similarly we will go to this. And suppose I don't know the answer of this, but I think I can solve it later. So just you can see mark for review and next. Then suppose this is the question and I know I have calculated the answer. Suppose my answer is this, but I have some doubt. Then I can save and next. And also I can again go back to the question. I can hover here and I can mark for review, okay. Now you can see I have answered this question but also mark for review. and you can jump from any question. Let's say I want to go to 10th question, so I will directly jump to this question. So you can see this is that GATE 2023 exam, and from that these are questions. Okay, so if I want to solve general aptitude later, then I can also jump to physics from here, or just I have here 10th question, and then I can suppose I answered this one. Even if I did not answer, okay, I clear the response, you can see here, then also I can save and next. I have not solved 10th question, but still I can save and next and go to the next question, or you can directly jump from the here there are tabs, so you can directly jump, and then you can solve this kind of paper. So total you have 55 number of questions. So you can see here palette, in this palette also you can see how you can recognize which question is answered or not. Here you can see there is a scientific calculator, so it is better you should practice it before the exam. This happens because when we do this in exam, we don't know where are the operators, where how to use log, how to use n, because in our calculator the system is different. Suppose I have to find out log, so if I type log, then it shows log 0. So let me clear this. So here clear button, so I clear this. So here I have to first type the number, and then I have to click on log, so it will give the log of this number. So this thing you should do before the exam, so there will be easiness in handling the calculator. Suppose you forgot some instruction, then you can go again here by clicking view instructions, and you can read all the things and then close also. Now you can see question paper in one go, you can see here like this. So suppose you want to see the question number of some certain question, then also you can do this, and then you can zoom this. Okay, but it is not necessary to zoom because it is always easier to look at the question in one glance. So even if suppose there is some diagram, then it is easier to look at the question by zooming. Okay, so if you want to see the details of the diagram, then it is easier. And at the end, okay, suppose I come to this, and okay, here it is NAT type question. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to type from this. Okay, so here a decimal point, whatever the answer, I have not solved it, but I'm just giving you hint how to do this. This is MSQ. So here you can see instead of circle we have square type of options here, so you can have multiple number of options correct here, and then you can save and next, right? So similarly you go through this mock test, and so and there after finishing this time, you will get here the option of submit. Okay, suppose if you want more mock test, okay, so you can go at Google and type mock test for GATE, and you will get different number of lists. So first is the official website, just we gone through, and here this is for ISC, this is for IIT Kharagpur, and all the things you can here you can get here. So suppose I get anything you can get. Let's see. Thank you so much for watching. For such tricks and tips, stay tuned with the channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.